This is Michelle Goldman with MGD Week 3, 1506. Week 2 requirements, 3 sprites, 2 sound effects, 1 input control, 1 point-to-point entity collision, 1 entity-to-entity collision, 2 game events with sound, and 1 sprite movement with linear interpolation. So in my iPhone 6 demo, the elements that had to be added for this week, pause button, which I had already, the scoring mechanism, which I had already. You can see increments as you kill each alien, goes up 5 points. Also got the animation here in the spaceship. The lights that are on there, that is using my sprite sheet. And then the visual feedback, when you kill an alien, you've got the particles from the gun, those are firing off, as well as the audio feedback mechanisms of the sounds of the bullets and the aliens dying. Pause button still works, that's great. And then once we get to 200 points, we'll get a game over screen, and then the player can either play again or end the game and then go back to the main screen. So for my iPad Air demo, still having the same issue with both devices. That's the interpolation for the clouds is not working properly. Still don't understand that fully. I did get my sprite animation for the spaceship with the lights working using the sprite sheet. That was not too difficult. Of course, got all the other requirements. Other than having the appropriate entity sizes and spacing for the 2 different devices that you can visibly see here on this version as opposed to the iPhone, where the spaceship is not in the same location, the clouds are not in the same location. So still having issues with that, and we'll continue to work on that for next week. Again, the game score gets to 200, game over screen, and then you can just start again or end and go back. I'm still having issues with the interpolation for my clouds, and still have not gotten that to work properly. I've got part of that coding done, but I'm still not able to actually move my cloud sprites based off of the frames and seconds. So something I still have to work on for next week. And also with the device support, was not able to get all of my entities to be the right size and spacing from the iPhone 6 to the iPad Air. So that continues to be a thorn in my side, and we'll continue to work on that for week 4, and hopefully we'll get that resolved by the end of the month for the final project.